good enough. And the corn dogs, I really liked them, but I wish it had more mozzarella, but it tasted very fresh. That's what I noticed. I also bought one for my little sister. Unfortunately, the dumplings didn't come with any sauce, but it's a good thing that we have some soy sauce at home. I also made some iced tea. It was very good, very refreshing. It's my favorite. Overall, I'm very happy with my purchase because they're affordable and I might do this again soon. Ooh, look at that. Yummy. I wish I'm eating this right now. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.